well is during the day. Today is a bit cloudy, but during the day is our season.
You
So
have
the
natural light.
Yes, natural light coming through, so the clients can be comfortably with air conditioning, having lunch or dinner, and then they can still enjoy the daylight. If you remember from your previous visit, Oleg, the location, of course, Paso de Gracia is the best location. The hotel used to be originally a bank. Bank was Panamericana from a bank. That's why we have some reminders in the building, because of course the essence of this style of the building is still keeping that bank spirit. So we keep in the original safety boxes here in our banker's bar. Yes. Let me open the door. So,
so this one.
Yes, actually these are new ones, decorated by our interior designer Patricia Urquiola. These are the original ones. So they are from the original building. So that front wall as well is the original boxes.
And this bar called bank?
This is Banker's Bar.
Bankers.
The bar from the bankers. So during the day we have a bit of a coffee break set up for the clients that are waiting for room. So the clients are arriving early to the hotel. The rooms are maybe not ready because the warranty check-in time is 3 p.m. So if the room is occupied and it's not ready, then they can come here, enjoy a coffee, a drink or something. This is the DJ table. Yes, so our DJ is Esfera, yes, but it's coming from Thursday to Sundays, and he is playing some music for the clients that in the evening, late in the evening, they are enjoying some cocktails selection. So there's an interior patio for the clients that want to smoke a cigar. Yes, so they can smoke their cigar or cigarettes in case they want to enjoy it with the drink, the cocktail. And there is another space where the clients can enjoy a bit of our wine selection, gastronomy. We serve some tapas as well if the clients want. So together with Black Restaurant, the all-day dining restaurant, and now we are going to Moment. That is our 2 Michelin star restaurant. Banker's Bar.
Banker's Bar.
Easy to remember. So Patricia Urquiola, that is the designer. Patricia, when she got the project from Mandarin Oriental group, she was asked to mix 3 things, 3 main pillars. So the local style, so we are in Barcelona, is the city of the Modernism. So we are talking about Gaudi, Picasso.
Gaudi.
Yes.
This is Gaudi?
It's a Gaudi structure, yes, you are right. So of course you need to show, the hotel need to show the city style. Together with the fact that we are in a bank building, a former bank building. So we keep in the structure of that building and some pieces as we've seen in Banker's Bar, and as well the Oriental touch from Mandarin Oriental group. So 3 main pillars in our style and our identity. This is the gastronomic restaurant 2 Michelin star, Moments. It's run by
215.
That is a tasting menu.
And 750.
With the wine tasting. But then you can select a shorter version, but it's always a tasting menu. And most of the time we're serving dinner. So it's a place where you cannot come in a hurry. You need about 3 hours and 34 hours to do the whole experience. And it's run by Carme Ruscalleda and her son Raül Balam, mother and son. They've been working together so many years in this gastronomic restaurant. Now Raül Balam is more in charge of our restaurant, is in charge of designing and creating these lovely tasting menus. Carme Ruscalleda is a female Catalan chef that has managed to get in a certain stage of her career up to 7 Michelin stars. As a female chef, she's been the only one that has managed to achieve that goal. So we are very proud to be working with Carme Ruscalleda, Raül Balam, so mother and son working in this gastronomic proposal. So good as well to book in advance now that there's a Christmas time coming.
Christmas time.
Yes, so we have special menus in our brand restaurant as well in moments. So during the different dates of the festive season, there's different activities and special proposals. I don't know if you realize that there's an art gallery at the door. Yeah, so that art gallery is proposing us some works that can be exposed in our hotel and as well in our garden. So our mimosa garden is at the back of the hotel and is open for the guest use. Today is a bit windy, so it's not the best day, but usually it's a really nice and peaceful oasis in the middle of the city. And we are quite privileged to have this nice space from one side to the other side of the building. Originally, Oleg, when you came to the hotel many years back, I believe that you just saw this building here. The original building, 98 rooms and suites, but then in 2015 we added this extension, so now we became 120 keys in total. 28 of them are suites, top suites. We added not only some more units, but as well some more piece of garden there. So it's another green corner. We're gonna have our Christmas market, Oleg.
Christmas market.
Christmas market taking the whole space, and then that area there, there's a bar where we're gonna be serving hot chocolate with churros and chocolate. We're gonna be serving some goodies, some blue wine.
This is bar.
This the bar. So it will
this
be
bar.
it will be offering some hot drinks for our clients. We're gonna have some heatings placed here and all the decoration, Christmas decoration, and the Christmas market. So don't tell anyone, but Mr. Claus, Santa Claus, is coming to stay with
Santa.
us. So he's gonna be joining here in that glass box over there that you can see there between the trees. He's gonna join us and to welcome our little clients.
You don't give him shoes.
We, of course, we provide him with a really nice and top suite, but then we organize a special